We are now at the Blackmagic booth. This is the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K. And in this video, we're going to talk about the recording media that is possible right now. So you can actually record it to SD card, CFast card, and through the USB Type-C, you can also record it to an external SSD drive. Each of the recording mediums have a different price point, with the SD card being the most expensive one, costing $440 for just only 128 gigabytes. The CFast card is slightly cheaper, being $330 for 128 gigabytes. And the most affordable medium to record to is to a SSD drive like the Samsung T5, which the smallest version is 250 gigabytes. However, that only costs you $100. And for the same price as the CFast, you can easily get like a 1 terabyte version. So in this image, you can see it actually being used and also being held actually next to the camera instead of being mounted somewhere. So there is no special mount for it yet. So we're going to try and tackle that in this video and find a mount for this SSD drive. So personally, I already used the Samsung T3, which is a nice SSD to work with. And this is actually like an older generation of the T5. So I'm not quite sure if the T3 also works on the Blackmagic 4K. Yeah, this is a similar size to the T5 drive. So we are going to try out different phone holders. This one is from Ulanzi. This is like a nice metal holder, and yeah, this looks nice to get like a really secure hold, because like with the screw on top. But first, let's see if it's even going to hold it. So yeah, this is too loose of a hold. Might hold it like this, but we need to keep this hole, the USB-C hole, uncovered, so it's not going to work with this clamp. This is another phone clamp. The nice thing about this phone clamp is that it has like this mounting option on the back, so we can have this flat on top of the camera, and it has like also an extra mounting option here. We could basically add like a hot shoe or cold shoe on here. But first, actually see if this is going to work at all. So okay, so it does hold it. However, we can, well, far too easily tap it out. So this hold is not really that secure. It's a little bit like this. It's only moved up this little. So we might need to actually add something in between to make this work, because this is a nice clamp, but the hold of it is just too loose. So I'm just afraid of the SSD falling out. So we could like maybe wrap something around the SSD to make it to get like a little bit more purchase, or like add something here in between so that it's going to hold it much better. So yeah, this one might work. You do need to add some little bit DIY work to get like a more secure hold. So the last one, and but not least, is this affordable clamp. And this one we can already see it needs more space to hold it. And this holds it quite well. However, you only have this mounting option here, so there's no extra mounting options anywhere else. And this holds it really securely in place. It's really snug. You can feel need to push quite with force to move it. So this is more secured. However, yeah, this does not have that many mounting options. So we found like 2 clamps that are usable. However, this one is just not snug enough. It's a little bit too loose. But yeah, we could fix that a little bit with like adding some tape to make it a little bit wider, so we can get like a better hold. However, this one is a much nicer hold, much stronger hold. However, it's too bad it's just only got one mounting options on the bottom. So you do need to use like a ball head or a tilt head. So that was mainly it. Hopefully you guys liked this video, and please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more upcoming videos, please hit that subscribe button here below. And also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. See you guys the next time. Bye bye.